All right, so hey guys, for you guys that have been watching and listening, we want you to come on and talk about your wolf pack. Talk about your wolf pack. We've had Charles on, we've had a couple different guys on before, and hey, naming your pack is something that is very, very important. Do me a favor, if you have not yet, download the app, download the Be Live app, and we'll bring you on. Sebastian, let's see here. Who we got here? I'll tell you what, Joseph James Hope. If he's on, Sebastian, go ahead and send him that link, and let's get him on real quick. And I see my boy Jerry Bierman has just joined us. Send Jerry that link too, because he can talk a little bit of Wolfpack.
Hey, did we lose connection during that live? Because mine kept saying, or it still says waiting to go live. Is that? And then it kept going back and forth.
You did for like 3 seconds, and then it kicked right back on. So nothing really.
Oh, okay,
else.
Cool. All right.
So I think we're good. So guys, Sebastian, hit them up. Let's bring them on. Let's get them brought into the. This setup.
Well, it's been a good day today, man.
Oh yeah, I mean, hey, anybody that's been watching the Mafia. So start out, we go Charles and Jamie, who they were probably in the first 5 or 10 members of the Marketing Mafia. They both spoke, and then we had the what I would consider the godfather of home service businesses, Joshua from the great upstate of Michigan, which is almost like a different country. I mean, it's close to being a different country. Joshua Latimer came on to the Mafia, and man, he dropped. I mean, did you get to listen to all of it or some of it?
I listened to the whole thing, dude. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous. Like, man, I didn't know he was going on. I was like, hold on, man.
So behind the scenes, like this morning, I messaged out to all the moderators, like, "Hey, we're going to go live every hour. We're going to do something every hour. We're going to, my goal was to celebrate this, just to get people excited about it, right?" And so Chris was like, "Yeah, we should schedule it." So okay, yeah, we'll schedule it. So Charles said, "I'll go first," and then Jamie, and then Chris was like, "All right, I'll do noon." So we had a spot there, like. I forget exactly where it was, like 11:30, and I texted Josh right as Jamie was on. I was like, "Hey man, if you can help us out, I'd love for you to go live today. It's our 1-year anniversary, blah blah blah." And so he was like, "Okay." He thought I was gonna like interview him. I'm thinking to myself, "No man, I don't need to be on that. Like, you're the only person that needs. No, they hear Gary Guyman enough. Like." It's your show to go." And I'm like, "Hey man, promote the Super Course, promote Send Jim." I mean, I was gonna be happy enough with him just like doing his thing and whatever. And dude, he brought it. It's kind of like, you go to a church and they say, "Oh, there's a visiting evangelist that we didn't expect to be here," and they pull him up and like he pulls out a 45-minute like smack you in the face. Kick you in the butt, get you going, motivational, like, all right, let's go kill people. I mean, that's what Josh did, basically. And then Chris is texting me like,
man, it was fire.
I can't go after him. I'm like, you have to go after him.
Man, you got the opening act doing the headline, and I was like, wait a minute, I should be opening for Mr. Joshua Latimer here, man. But he brought some fire, dude. If you guys are not in the Mafia, go join the Mafia. There was nuggets all day long. Jamie Schmidt, Charles Wilson, Joshua, Gary, me. Rob Anderson's claiming that he is going to be dropping fire today. So I'm holding Mr. Rob Anderson, because I was like, hey, bro, if you can bring that heat like that, then bring it, Mr. Rob, because I'm holding you to it.
He used the word epic. Epic. Rob Anderson. I know he's out washing. Actually, we still got a truck out washing too for some reason, but I know he's out washing. He was fighting water pressure earlier. So, I mean, he said epic, and there's 5 of us that saw the word epic. So, like, now it's like, all right, Rob, I'm waiting on. I mean, like, I got to go to dinner tonight at like 7 o'clock with my brother-in-law and my sister because it's his birthday. So I'm like, dude, you got to start dropping this stuff. Like, I'll be at dinner, I'll be like, hold up, guys, hold up. I gotta watch Rob Anderson drop some epic stuff, right? So it's been a great day. Like I was excited that we got to this. I mean, I brought when we brought Chris and Rob on as moderators back was a couple months ago. Man, they both came out of the gates hard. We went from having, I think, 2,500 members at the time, dude, to we're almost at 3,200 right now. So, man, thank you so much. You're definitely an inspiration to a lot of us, myself included. I can remember I saw a thing come up in my timeline. It was of my boy when he had the beard, which is I'm just going to be honest with you, like. The beard, like, if you got a beard, I'm probably going to try, and you're in the service business, I'm probably trying to connect with you because, like, you know, the beard is important. Like, another beard grower understands what you go through to get that beard. So, I don't know, are you on your way back to growing that out or what?
Man, I am. I would like to. I don't have, man, dude, my wife said, hey, I miss your face. And I was like, well, 2 years goes by, and she's like, all right, I still miss that face. So I said, you know what, man, for you, I'll cut it. And I cut it, man, but now I want to grow it back. I just don't have the patience now. Now it's like, come on, hurry up. And, dude, I'm seeing pictures, and this thing was full, dude. I had it was awesome, dude. You talk about the word epic. I'm like, holy cow, I'm seeing pictures. I'm like, yeah. Man, I am. You know what? I have. What's the word I'm looking for? I have regretted a lot of things in my life, but there hasn't been one regret bigger than the day I shaved my beard. I woke up the next morning. I was mad. I was pissed off. I was angry. Hey, I forgot. That's what happened. I forgot. I woke up. I forgot that I even shaved my beard. I walked by the bathroom mirror, and I did the double take. I went, what the? And dude, I was mad. I was like, I can't believe you did that, dude. Like, you could at least trimmed it down a little bit. No, you went straight up face, bicked it off, man. Biggest regret I ever had. And I've had a lot of regrets. So if you got a beard, don't shave it.
Don't shave it. Don't shave it. I trimmed mine up a little too much back in June for my sister's wedding, and that will never happen again. Like, when my wife gets close, like, she wants me to grow it, so we're good there. I want it to be a little bit more epic, so I got to work on the under stuff, you know, so I can pull that out. But I cut way. I was trimming it for her wedding, and you know how that goes, man. You cut a little bit off here, you cut a little bit off there, and then it's not even. So I was like, man, I took, you know, it looked like I was a banker or something. I had it so tight, you know, like. We can't let that happen again. That's not allowed to happen again. So if you got a beard, keep the beard, because beard has respect. Sean Whalen has a shirt that says "Respect the beard," and man, the beard is a good thing. I'm looking forward to seeing that beard back on Chris. Go back on his Facebook page and check out some of those epic pictures of that beard, because my dude had. My dude had a bad looking beard. I mean, it was off the chain.
Yeah. So it looks like, hey, we got anybody joining us?
No, it looks like I don't think he's had any success getting anybody on, which is fine. That's good. Yeah, cool. Yeah. So hey, thanks for watching, guys. Operation Dominate podcast. We appreciate you guys hanging out with us. We really, really do. Check us out on so the after shows are on YouTube as well. We have a YouTube channel, Operation Dominate YouTube channel. Check that out. All the podcasts, the first 20, 30 minutes of this are on all your podcast platforms, iTunes, the list goes on and on and on. So check out the podcast. I think we're up to 4 or 5 episodes now, I believe it is, right? Something like that. 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
5 episodes. So we're cruising. So, hey, Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Central. Check it out and put it on your calendar. Don't miss it. And we look forward to helping you dominate your life. We'll see you.